Hi, my name is Abigail and I'm 10 years old. Today I'll be talking about stray animals. The population of stray animals in the world are 200 million. In America, the population of stray animals are 70 million, double the population of Malaysia. A lot of animals, not just dogs and cats, are abandoned all the time. They're usually abandoned because of their disabilities. The poor animals are abused and abandoned because they are not perfect enough. People used to only buy cats because of their color. And when they get older, people abandon them. Sometimes people would harm cats like paint them. And when people see them, they throw trash at them. But sometimes people help and adopt the cats. What happens when we have stray animals? There will be an outbreak of diseases. I'll explain more on my next slide. And it'll be very noisy when they bark or howl. There are safety reasons if they attack humans, more so kids. If you're jogging or walking, you just don't go and pet them or see them. Just walk past them. There are safety reasons if they fight among each other. You're jogging by, don't go and provoke them to attack you. They'll litter a place if they open garbage bags. And when they die, they will cause horrible rotting odor. There will be outbreak of diseases. Bites from stray animals account for 99% of the planet rabies cases and the strays of the world are associated with transmitting more than 60 other diseases to humans. Some facts about the homeless animals. Only 1 out of every 10 dogs born will find a permanent home. Each year, approximately 2.7 million dogs and cats are killed each year. Approximately 7.6 million stray animals enter the animal shelters nationwide every year. According to the Humane Society, there are about 3,500 brick and mortar animal shelters in the US and 10,000 rescue groups and animal sanctuaries in North America. What can we do to help them? Support the animal organization by donating to them or sponsor a pet. Adopt a pet at these homes. Number 1. Paul's Animal Welfare Society, Animal Independent Animal Rescue, and Second Chance, formerly known as Paul's Mission. Volunteer a day at these homes so you can adopt these pets. You see a stray, you can also bring them to these homes. Teacher Johan, can you please present the YouTube video now?
Our shelter take in unwanted animal and we rehome them as best as we can. The whole idea of running the shelter is to save as many lives as possible. We are not able to save everyone, but we are doing the best we can to increase the adoption as best as we can. We have a lot more surrenders than adoption, but our adoption rate is also pretty good. We are trying our best to rehome as many as we can. Adoption is important, and I also like to emphasize on neutering. The shelter practice animal being adopted from here are neutered, and to us that is a very important part of helping animal. Adoption saves life. It also gives the shelter a chance to do more for those animals that is coming in. Please, I would like to emphasize that do not buy a dog, do not breed a dog.
Dear parents and friends, we can adopt pets, don't buy them. That's all from me. Thank you.